Meaning of ferociously.
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 Ferociously. Ferociously means to act in a wild, aggressive, and uncontrolled manner. It describes a behavior that is intense, savage, and fierce. When someone or something behaves ferociously, they are likely to be unrestrained, violent, and intimidating. The result of a ferocious action can be devastating and leave a lasting impact. For example, an animal attacking its prey ferociously can cause severe wounds and trauma, and a person arguing ferociously can lead to hurtful words and emotional scars. In short, ferociously describes a behavior that is uncontrolled and can have damaging consequences.